The idea for this character drawing very much came from the figure reference and pose. The reference image was a lady holding a tube light across her shoulders and designed for the purposes of practicing drawing lighting. But it seemed a natural fit for this kind of fantasy captive in a dungeon story beat. The difficulty really was that the figure drawing itself was super rough. For the clothing, I just grabbed inspiration from some fashion Instagrammers that I follow. Having the arms appear trapped but also natural was a problem that I had to battle with the entire way through. And you can see that her right arm to our left is very, very long compared to the other arm. Even accounting for perspective, that's not quite right yet. My idea for this was that she is optimistically trying to get the key for her shackles with her tongue. And a glimpse there of me toying with the idea of giving her 4 arms. It would have been cool, but I thought it might get a little messy considering then each arm would have to have an independent shackle. I'm trying to convey some sense of confidence from the character, almost as if she knows she's going to get out, she just doesn't know how yet. And insert AI-generated dungeon background. In the end, I went with green skin to give a kind of orc or ogre feel. It also complements the pinky red aesthetic that I end up choosing for the background. I'm as anxiety-ridden about the implementation of AI in art as the next person, but I'm not a background artist and I don't really enjoy doing backgrounds that much. This allows me to quickly make a background at limited cost and allows me to practice lighting the character to match the environment. I realize this makes me part of the problem, but there's just no overstating how much more character practice this allows me to get. Here I tried to implement a mild blue rim light coming from the bottom left. And I'm gonna call this one finished for now. My inclination is to continue rendering it and cleaning it up until it looks as good as I know it can be. But working on this further doesn't really service my ultimate goal, which is to tell stories through animation. It's pretty difficult for me to justify spending that amount of time on what would essentially amount in story terms to a single frame. So, thank you very much for watching, and that's it.